opening day of youth turkey season. Me and Cambry are in the blind right now. We're ready to go. She's got the little 410. We do have a turkey out in the field already. It flew straight down into the field. I can't really tell what it is. It looks like a hen by herself, but that's a good sign. All we need is some Tom or a Jake or anything with a beard to come play, so she's ready to bust it, right, baby? So hopefully we see something here pretty soon. Well, guys, we was walking in and already seen a hen. This morning was uneventful out here for me and Camry, but somebody, not gonna say any names, but somebody missed a big old Tom with old Uncle Logan this morning on some state property. But no, we didn't hear a single gobble out here, but we had some errands to run, and this was the closest place we could get to the night. It's very windy, but I mean, there is a hen out in the field, so that's a positive. Me and Cambry this morning did see a bearded hen, but it wouldn't get close enough, so we were hoping that was the bearded hen when we came over the hill, but it's not. So yeah, we're gonna head back to some more fields and look. We did see a big strutter with a hen out in the field on the way here, so hopefully they're out in the fields with this wind keeping them up out of the woods. But we're gonna start trampling back here and see what happens. Alright, guys, we just got back to the back. We didn't see a single turkey until we got back here, and there's a big Tom by himself. I gave him a couple yelps and got the decoys out, but we're set up right here. We've killed a lot of turkeys from this little tree right here, and he looked like he was alone. He was kind of just out bugging in the field. I gave him a couple yelps to let him know we're here, so hopefully he comes in, but fingers crossed he just comes right here where he's supposed to be. Alright, guys, well, the Tom headed back towards the truck, and I'm guessing he hit the creek down here behind us, never gobbled. I only hit him one time, he didn't gobble. And then we thought for sure he was coming up here. This wind is whipping so fast. It's probably 30-mile-an-hour gust, but well, Cam just woke up from his little nap after that Tom didn't come in. What are you looking for? You good? He never came in, so I don't know what to do. What do you think we should do? You want to actually go after that bird? Well, we might go after the bird. So if he does get him, we probably won't get a good shot. But I think he's going back to bed, so we'll probably just wait it out. See what happens. This turkey steps out, shoot it, okay? Can you see her? Put it on her head and kill her. walk up under you. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, walk up under. Bearded hen.
Let's go.
Dude. Bearded hen, baby.
Let's go.
Oh my god, dude. I told you stand up and Buster and you did, dude.
Let's go.
Let's go. The old 410 Tuffy smoked her, dude. Heck yeah. The other one had a heck of a beard, but I knew we were going to get busted right there, dude. Oh my gosh, dude, get down there with it.
Dang.
Dude, that's awesome, man. Look at that, dude. Bearded hen.
Let's go.
Good stuff, man.
Where'd I shoot her at?
Right in the nugget. There's your jet. I can't see it. Oh, there it is, right there, bub. Right there. See it? And right after he shoots it, his favorite thing flies over us. Dude.
Let's
Give me some of that. Alright, man. Show her off. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful bird. We're going to take this one to the taxidermist. She got a good little beard on her, really. What do you think that is? Probably 5 inches?
yeah.
It's a pretty good beard.
5 or 4.
Might be more. Might be more. That's a good one, dude.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man. No, like we said, when there ain't no toms to kill, you just go smoke a hen with a beard, right?
Yeah.
No toms out here, hardly. So, a lot different than last year, but it was about a 40-yard shot. I didn't get good video because they were coming in on us, and the one seen us, and I told him, I said, stand up and shoot, and when he hit it, I jumped up, the camera closed, I fist bumped him, everything else, but we got running up to it while it was flopping, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah, dude. It's a good bird.
It's beautiful.
It is. Well, this might be an older hen, man. It's a pretty good sized bird. Pretty good sized bird. Alright, buddy, well, you did it. You got her done, right?
Yep.
The face of turkey hunters that's walked 8 miles. They don't know what the hell to do. Our season sucks. This is a message from us hunters to the Indiana Department of Natural Resources. Take note from other states and start the season when turkeys are actually hot and you can kill them. We have walked. What are we hunting? How many acres is here? Yeah, just thousands and thousands of acres. Turkey sign everywhere. There's turkeys in here. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. How long ago was that when you was up here? 4 weeks ago? Into March. Seen 30 birds. How many? Hundreds and hundreds of gobbles. And now we're in here and we haven't. It's open day of turkey season. Haven't heard a gobble one. Not a single one. There's 5 trucks here. Probably 3 trucks. Not a shot within the distance of us. And there's turkey sign everywhere. We heard 1 hen. Our season sucks. So on to the next spot. Big old toms. Of course, where we can't hunt at. That's usually how it goes. Big old swinger. It's a big bird.
If he gets behind those trees, or those ponds, if he crosses that field,
Yeah.
I think we need to get up and
Hey guys, so I just got back to the house, got me a little sandwich. It's about noon. I'm going to head out to my uncle's and probably spend the rest of the whole day out there. Bunch of fields and stuff, and just see. It's where my son actually shot his bearded hen. There was another bearded hen with it. I'll definitely shoot it. But one thing I didn't get on camera just now, we went to another spot. We seen a hen. Just kind of walked through some fields. That 410 I'm using with those herders 9-shot TSS. I smoked a coyote from like 70 yards with that thing. I wish I could have got it on camera. It came running up to us, kind of messing with that hen, but it was sweet. It ran into some brush. It was flipping over and stuff, and we couldn't never find it, but it was pretty cool. So I'm like a firm believer that that 410 will be the gun I carry from now on. I actually bought it for my kids, and after seeing what Camden did with it at 40 yards, 45 yards on that bearded hen he shot, I was like, I'm going to use this thing. So, but I'm going to head out there. Hopefully we can get some video. Maybe I haven't seen a gobbler out there yet. I know they're out there, but maybe I'll get lucky and strike one up out there. It is midday, which is awesome time to find a lone gobbler out there. If you can get a bird to gobble between 10 and 2, it's usually, you got a good chance of getting him. So we're going to head out there for the rest of the evening, see if I can get one, and then hopefully get some video, maybe see something. So the typical Gage Bell luck. I got out here to the farm, and I guess between Saturday and today, the farmer sprayed all the fields, so everything's dead, which wouldn't be that big of a deal, but he's out there right now planting. So I mean, it's a good thing, but I'm already out here, so I'm gonna go to the back and hope that he's not gonna go back there, since back there is soybean and he's planting corn on the corn side. So we'll see. Fingers crossed he isn't going back to the back, and maybe push some birds back there. So I'll catch up with you guys when I get all the way back to the back. Couple deer right there. Alright guys, we got set up back here at the log. I always kill my turkeys, usually. Got my decoys out. I got a Jake with a submissive hen. The grass is really tall back here though, so I don't know if they're going to be able to see it or not, but I've seen a bunch of deer coming in here. But I mean, my bad luck continues. I got back here, don't have my binoculars, and I'm looking at a 300-yard wide field in all kinds of directions. So anyways, yeah, so I'm looking at all these fields. I've killed a lot of turkeys back here. Just hoping we see something, man. I mean, I haven't heard a gobble, so I'm not really optimistic, but we'll see. I know there's turkeys somewhere out here, so maybe one will come through. I did see a few on the road a couple of times by themselves walking through the fields. It's 1:15, so I mean, it's about that time that definitely could see a time. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait it out and just do what I don't want to do and deer hunt them, I guess. So maybe some will come in. I guess we'll see. Turkey hunting sucks. Alright, so I went to another spot. About 30 minutes away. I see turkeys up here a lot. I've never really turkey hunted. I did youth weekend one time. But I'm doing something a little different. I've never done this before. I'm turkey hunting in the tree stand. So there's my decoys. This is actually a tree stand my son shot his buck in last year. I always see turkeys here. I'm giving it a shot. I want to sit comfortably. I'm sitting comfortably. At this point, I just don't. If I shoot one, I shoot one. If I don't, I don't. I'll see if I can roost a bird here or behind the house tonight. If not, we got the next couple of days. We'll try something else, but it's been tough. Today has been tough. So, well, I'm freaking speechless. I hung the camera up. I called. It is 5 o'clock on the dot. I hung the camera up, hit my call a little bit, got on my phone, just chilling. I was more or less coming up here to roost a bird. I hear something walking. I look over. Huge beard coming right up out of the woods right here. Coming right up through right here. He came all the way out here. And there he is. Unreal. I had time to do nothing. See if I can get. Dude, I'm in a tree stand right now. I just killed a bird out of a tree stand. Well, when I get down here, I'll get a better video of it, and we'll head to the house. I can't believe that. He gobbled. He got up here, and a crow sounded off, and he right there. I mean, 20 yards. And I was like, man, I'd much rather him get out here, even though in the tree stand I know they can see you pretty good. I was like, man, I want to see if they'll get out here. Dude, he walked right out. Boom. I'm speechless. I don't know. He's a pretty big bird, but he's got a heck of a beard. But we're going to check him out. That's pretty sweet. All right, guys. Here's the bird. That TSS just spun him around. Kind of jacked his feathers up a little bit. But man, what a rope. That is a big beard. It's got to be 10, 11 inches. Not too bad spurs. Decent spurs, but man, that's a big bird. That is a big old bird. Oh yeah, baby. The old Rosty Tuffy. That's the second bird put down. My son's dog as well. Single shot with some herders 9 TSS. That's a bad gun. It shot that coyote today at probably, I don't know, 60, 70 yards. So, but we're going to get out of here. We got Logan tomorrow, and then I'm going back to fishing. So, hopefully we can get Logan a nice little bird on camera, and get back doing some fishing and stuff like that. So, awesome. I'm tagged out. Let's get Logan one. was ill. He had some hens with him last night, but they must have got busted off the roost. I don't know what's going on. He will not come up that hill. And we're on state land and there's some people in here, so if this bird keeps gobbling like this, it ain't gonna be good. There'll be people all over it. There's a big opening this way. I thought maybe he would try to come up to it, but he's not. He's hammering, but he's going away. So we're like at least 3 miles back probably. We got about 5 birds hammering. They've been hitting up all morning, but it's going on 9:30 and we're hoping they're breaking off. I can't tell what they're doing. They're gonna go up where we were. What Hey,
That was awesome.
dude. I told you it'd work. Was he? How many was up there?
Just him.
You're kidding.
That's all I seen. Yeah. Dude, it was him gobbling. Had to have been.
Why would he not come down? Did you fold him?
Yeah.
Well, I seen you running. I thought he was closer. Bro, dude, you didn't, hey. That thing is going to make a hell of a mount with the wings and stuff. You didn't touch a feather on him. Was he putting off?
No, he just had his red head looking. He didn't even see me.
Hey, that was badass.
That's pretty cool.
I told you if you crawled up to that rock, you was going to get him.
That was pretty cool.
That's a big jake.
I'm telling you, it was him gobbling.
Bro, that was smooth.
That was him gobbling, dude. I guess it's a super jake.
He ain't getting no older.
No.
That was awesome, dude. That was smooth. Dude, you didn't touch a feather on him. When you put him in your pack, make sure you fold him up. There ain't a feather wrong with him.
It's about 35, 40 yards.
Dude, you know what would make us hunt way better?
Huh.
If we walk 30 yards up there in the roads up there.
I don't know if we're going to get quite that lucky, big dog.
Dude, hey, that was smooth. That was awesome. I got you crawling up and everything. That was sick. When I seen you get up there and I seen you pulling your gun up, I was like, oh, he sees it. But then when you took off running, I couldn't see it flopping. I was like, oh, no. And then I finally seen it on the backside of that log.
I just don't play.
No, I know. Son, yeah. That's a big jake.
It was him gobbling, dude. Had to have been.
Yes, sir.